Here we go. This is a Benton box. You'll get these with your, packages that you order if you order packages. Try and keep these boxes because later on when you get more skilled with handling bees and you don't feel like buying bees anymore, you'll need to move your queens every now and then. And this is an excellent way to introduce your queens to new hives. Most people use a queen clip to just capture the queen, put her off to the side so you're not smashing her while you're beekeeping. But these are more used for if you want to introduce them to a hive. You'll see there's a hole, and it goes all the way through, all the way to the painter's tape here. So there's another hole on this side. It's got a little piece of metal. It's pretty flimsy. And then it's got these 3 holes, and they're about 3/4 of an inch deep. And I'm not 100% sure why this one has little like air vents on the side. I wonder if it's for if you don't have one of these pieces of metal and you just want to use a wire. You probably put a wire in there and hang it off of something. But the reason I got the marshmallow out is you would take this, you would put your queen in your box, and you would just put her in the hole, and then you would go through and put the marshmallow in the hole. You would just stuff it in there, and what the bees will do is, because marshmallows are basically all sugar, they'll eat it or they'll just tear at it, and you'll see it in the next couple of days being dragged out the front of the hive. We always keep a jar of marshmallows in our bucket now, and we always keep at least 1 to 2 of these in our bucket as well. And right now we're using them a lot because we're trying a new experiment for swarm prevention. And if you go to our blog, we'll have a post probably once every couple of weeks that gives you an update on how that experiment's going and what it's all about. But I'm going to show you how we introduce a queen. I just want to, if you hear me say Benton box or want to know what it is, that's this. So I just took a queen to add to this queenless hive, and this is our reaction. So let's get up close and take a better look. They instantly climbed all over it. Whoop, whoop, if we can stop moving. Hey, hey, hey. You see them trying to tear, or do you see them just curious? That's what you're looking for. If you see a whole ball of them on top of each other and vibrating, that means they're trying to kill her. If you just see this almost circle pattern retinue style, then you're good to go. Doesn't mean that it's foolproof, but that's basically how I see it. If they've gone without a queen for a little bit, and you see that they're making a circle instead of a ball, and I'll put it on there. And you tell me, because the queen is on the far right side of the box currently. There's a bee crawling up my leg on the inside of my pants. So I'm gonna get a shim, and I just put a shim around this this girl here. That way I don't have to stick them in between the frames. That seems ridiculous to me. So I don't do that. I just grab a shim, and then I'll stick the top on. We'll be good to go. Might have to lay it flat, but it should be fine. So what I ended up doing was taking a medium. I took 2 frames out so that the box would just rest on top of the bottom brood box frames, and then there'd be a gap in the medium so that it would just sit there. The bees can crawl on top, feed the queen, whatever, and in 3 days I can just open the top, reach down, grab the box, make sure she's out, and then put in the 2 extra frames. I don't have to worry about opening the box, pulling out a bunch of frames. It's just simpler. All right,